In this video, we'll go through troubleshooting steps for the Chicago Pneumatic Rivet Buster lineup. Understanding these common issues and solutions will help ensure optimal performance and longevity of the tool. Tool runs erratically. If a Rivet Buster is running inconsistently or misfiring, follow these steps. Check all fasteners to ensure they're tight on the tool. Flush a cleaning solvent through the tool to remove any debris or buildup. Immediately refill with air tool oil or a 10W equivalent to ensure proper lubrication. If the issue persists, disassemble the tool and inspect the cleanliness of the valves. Check for plug cylinder ports and clear any obstructions. Air leak. If air is escaping from the tool unexpectedly, take the following steps. Disassemble and inspect the tool to check if the throttle valve or O-ring seals are damaged. Ensure the handle is correctly tightened to the cylinder to prevent leaks. Tool is not hitting hard enough. A loss of power can reduce the tool's effectiveness. Here's what to check. Ensure all fasteners are tightened properly. If fasteners are secure, check for wear on internal parts. If parts are worn, they should be replaced. Inspect the clearance between the piston and the cylinder bore. Excessive clearance can result in power loss. Tool won't shut off. If the Rivet Buster fails to stop operation, immediately turn off the air source and disconnect the air supply. Inspect the throttle valve and O-rings for any damage or wear. Tool is dying slowly. If the tool loses power gradually or struggles to operate, follow these troubleshooting steps. Verify that the air pressure at the tool is between 90 to 100 psi. Pressure at the compressor does not guarantee the correct pressure at the tool. Check the air hose diameter and length. A hose that is too long or too narrow can result in significant pressure drops. For example, with a 3/4 inch hose at 100 psi, every 50 feet of hose can result in a pressure loss of approximately 9 psi. Inspect the rubber gasket for wear or damage. Check for any obstructions in the air hose that may restrict airflow. By following these troubleshooting guidelines, you can ensure Rivet Busters operate at peak efficiency. Keeping the tools properly maintained and diagnosing issues quickly will help reduce downtime and keep job sites productive.